Welcome from my tiny kitchen. Make the most of seasonal strawberries with this stunning, easy-to-make vanilla cake loaded with strawberries. And watch as I show you step by step how to create these beautiful white chocolate curls. These are the ingredients for the vanilla sponge. Remember, the recipe is in the description. Making this cake is so easy you don't even need a mixer. Add in soft butter into a large mixing bowl followed by sugar and then mix together until smooth. When ready, add in the eggs followed by the vanilla extract and mix again until smooth. You may need to use a scraper to get any unmixed bits of butter and sugar on the sides of the bowl. Then sift in the self-raising flour and bicarbonate of soda. And finally add in the milk followed by the vinegar. Mix all of the ingredients really well until you no longer have any lumps of flour. You could also use a spatula to scrape down the sides for those unmixed bits. Scrape out the batter into two 6-inch prepared baking tins, flatten, and then bake in a preheated oven at 170 degrees Celsius for about 40 to 45 minutes or until an inserted knife or skewer comes out clean. Avoid opening the oven before this time as the cake may collapse. These are the ingredients for the vanilla buttercream. Remember, the recipe is in the description. Add soft butter into a large mixing bowl, then using a mixer, mix for about a minute or two until smooth. Then add in the vanilla extract and icing sugar in stages, mixing well between each addition. If you feel like the buttercream is getting stiffer and you still have a lot of icing sugar, add in a few drops of milk at a time to loosen it up. Use just enough icing sugar and milk until you have a light and fluffy buttercream. Scrape down the sides of the bowl before one final mix to get any unmixed bits. For the white chocolate curls, melt white chocolate until smooth and transfer into a piping bag. Pipe out about a 1 cm drop of chocolate onto strips of baking paper. Create a smear with your finger, then bend and leave to set on an upside down muffin tray. Once set, gently remove from the baking paper to reveal these delicate and beautiful white chocolate garnishes. Onto the assembly of the cake, cut the two cool-down cakes in half horizontally. Pipe or dollop on a small amount of buttercream before placing on a layer of the cake. Then spread a generous layer of strawberry preserve, and pipe out the vanilla buttercream using your favorite star nozzle. Repeat the layering process with the other two slices of sponge. Spread strawberry preserve over the last layer of cake before placing on top. Pipe out a layer of buttercream on the top of the cake and then pile on delicious strawberries. Then finish off this beautiful creation with the white chocolate curls. Thank you so much for watching this video. I really hope you enjoyed it. See you next week